Now, the other topic is supply side policy. What do you mean by supply side policy? Supply side policy are the micro policies aimed at increasing supply and the productivity in the economy. Monetary policy, what was the monetary policy? Just to control the money supply. And supply side policy aim to increase the supply and the productivity in the economy. Okay. Now, what supply policies or supply side policies measurements? Number one, public sector investment. Investments in infrastructure such as transport and communication can greatly help the economy by making the flow of resources quick and easy and facilitate faster growth. The next one, improving education and vocational trainings. The third one, spending on health. Accessible, affordable, and the good quality health services will improve the health of the population, helping reduce the hours lost to illness and increasing productivity. Investment on housing, privatization, income tax cuts, subsidies, deregulations, removing the trade barriers, all these things comes into the headings of the supply policy measurements. Now, the last things is that effect of the supply side policy measure on the government micro aim. Now, supply side policies have the direct effect on increasing the economic growth as the productive capacity of the economy is realized. In doing so, it can also create a more job opportunities and help to reduce the unemployment. Trade reforms will also enable it to improve the balance of the payment. However, if you are relying on the public expenditure and the tax cuts means that government may run large budget deficit. Deregulation and privatization will also reduce the government interventions in the economy, which may promote market failure.